Hello everyone and welcome back again to another recipe. Thank you all so much for tuning in today's video. In today's video I'm going to share with you this cabbage recipe. This is yummy if you're on a weight loss journey or if you want to eat without adding weight. This is an ideal recipe for you, so stay tuned and keep watching. So first I'm going to remove the cabbage layer by layer, just the way I'm doing it. We're gonna bring it out carefully from the head. You cut and bring out each of the leaf one after the other. So now I'm going to wash it with salt. You can use vinegar to wash yours or baking soda. So wash thoroughly before we start the next step. The next step now is to steam the cabbage. Into a boiling water, we're gonna insert the cabbage. This is a likely blanching. We're not gonna waste time. You just insert and bring it out immediately. The essence of doing this is just to break the structures of the leaves so that it will be very flexible when you are folding it. If you didn't steam it before you start using it for rolling, it's gonna crack. So the essence of steaming it is just to make it very flexible. Now we are going to prepare our minced meat. So for this recipe I'm making use of beef. You can use chicken, you can use fish, but I'm making use of beef. So I'm going to season this beef. You can use any seasoning of your choice. So right now I added my chopped onions. As I said, use any seasoning of your choice. So the next I'll be adding now is nutmeg. I'll add basil, oregano, salt to taste, pepper, and seasoning powder. cover this and allow it to steam just a minute, because everything is almost cooked. The meat and the veggie is cooked. Just a minute and we'll let that off. So voila, this is very much ready now, and it tasted so sweet. You can eat it on its own, you can pair it with rice. So that is just it for this video. If you've watched to this point, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. If you've watched to this point and you have not subscribed to our channel, please kindly hit that button that says subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Share our videos to your friends and your families. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.